Hello, I'm Goldie Hawn. Tonight we're traveling to the magical world of Moshi. A place where nothing is quite as it seems, especially at night. Soothing twilight colors descend, and everywhere feels very dreamy. From pawberry fields and lush lagoon to Franzipan Farm and beyond. But this evening is extra special as we're meeting a good friend of mine, a very mindful moshling who's also called Goldie. So snuggle down, cozy up, and relax.
Goldie, look inside your mind. Goldie, Goldie, cherish what you find.
Somewhere in the Moshi world, beside a moonlit stream, a moshling known as Goldie has a hope, a wish, a dream.
Hello. Tonight, we're going to meet Tuco, a garish glemingo, and one of the brightest super moshlings of all. So make yourself comfy, snuggle down, and relax. And if you can, turn off the lights. Because Tuco lives in Neon Park, a kaleidoscopically colorful tropical paradise where nighttime never falls. Lights out to go. It's easy out to sleep. Lights out to go. Your dreams will be so sweet. Sometimes when you go to bed and turn off all the lights, the silly thoughts that fill your mind can lead to sleepless nights. But if you think it's only you